Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm here to explain into details how you are going to use garlic and then sea salt for favor and success. For this particular direction, I've already posted it on this YouTube channel, but a lot of people are asking a lot of questions. So it seems they did not understand that particular direction very well. That is why I've taken my time today to explain into details how you are going to do the direction. So please, what you are supposed to do is that you get 3 full bulbs of garlic. So what you see on the screen are 2 bulbs, but you are supposed to get 3 of that. After getting that, you need sea salt. Sea salt is very common. When you go to the market and then you tell them you need sea salt, you can get. Sea salt is what they call in Ghana adango or adanchini. Some people call it abo enchini or nchini abo. So you are supposed to get that. What you do is that you just pour some of the salt into your palm and then you divide that salt into 4. So you are going to use 1/4 of a handful of salt for this particular direction. So what you are going to do is that you boil the water first and then you add the salt. You add the 1/4 of a handful of the salt to it and then you let it boil. So as it boils, you blend or you grind the garlic very well with any means available to you. You can decide to peel the garlic before you grind, or you can decide not to peel it. Still, this direction is going to work for you. And then the means to grind it, you can use any stone available to you to grind it, or you can use earthenware mashing bowl to grind it. So earthenware mashing bowl is what they call a sankan or a potoyowa in Ghana. You can use it to grind it. And then after grinding, what you do is that you transfer what you have grinded into the boiling water that is having the salt on the fire. And now you cover it. After covering it, you lower the heat small. Then you allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. After boiling, you allow it to cool. And then you use any means available to you to sieve it. You can use a white bit of cloth to sieve it, or you can decide to use a colander or any sieve at all to sieve it. And then you throw the chaff away. Please, after throwing the chaff away, you are going to use only the filtered water. The filtered water, you are not going to store it in a fridge. What you are going to do is that you use a funnel and then you transfer the filtered water into a gallon. So what you are going to do is that every evening after your normal bath, please, you are going to do this particular direction only at night or in the evening. So you can do it from 8 p.m. going, but ensure that after doing this particular direction, you are not going to go out again. So you just do this direction and then you'll be in your room. What you are going to do is that in the night, after your normal bath with soap and sponge, you use clean water to rinse the soap off your body. So after rinsing the soap off your body, you now add some of the garlic water to clean water and then use it to rinse your body again. So after rinsing, you are not going to use towel. You just allow it to dry on you. After drying on you, you can use any cream that you normally use to sleep. For those people who also prepare the king grass, you can use the king grass oil to smear your body to sleep, because that one also gives protection. So the king grass is what you see on the screen. You grind it with some small garlic and then you fry it in olive oil. And then after frying it for some time, the oil will change color and then you have gotten your king grass oil. So you just remove those leaves from it and then every evening you use that one to smear your body. So that is how the king grass oil is prepared. So after doing the salt and garlic direction, you can decide to use that king grass oil to smear your body. Then what you do is that you just go and sleep. But please kindly ensure that you note the following for me. What you are going to do is that you are not going to have sex for the 7 days that you are going to do this particular direction. Then the direction 2, you can start it on any day. please. And then if it happens that you go and have sex in the course of the direction, you are going to start afresh, please. So even if you are on the 6th day and then you go and have sex, you are going to start afresh again. And then also, it is not for women who are in their period. So if you are in your period, you wait till the period is over and then you do this particular direction. And then if you have started the direction and then maybe on the 6th day or the 5th day, you see that your menstruation has come, what you do is that you stop and then you throw that water or the solution away. And then when the period is over, you prepare new one and then you start afresh again for 7 days. Then this direction is not also for pregnant women, and then it is not also for children who are under 18 years. And then when you prepare one solution too, you cannot share it with any family member or any friend or anybody else. If you are living with somebody, let the person prepare their own. And then things that you will be seeing whilst you do this direction. At the start of this particular direction, you see that you'll be having very terrible dreams. Some people that who are evil in your life, you start seeing those people in your dreams. So this particular direction is not for people who have faint hearts. If you have faint heart, you cannot continue. You say that you are stopping, but please don't stop. If you are able to finish the 7 days, you come out with great testimony. So after the direction, people start receiving marriage proposals, job applications, spiritual husbands or spiritual spouse will start leaving you. You start having visa approvals. You start having positivity in your marriage. You start having positivity in your finances. And then you see that everything around you will start just working for you. So please kindly ensure that even if you start having any bad effect or any bad side effect by using this particular direction at the beginning, you ensure that you finish the direction. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.